Hi all,
I'm Vivanth.
I'm Varchasvi.
And I'm Kanishka.
We are from ATL Public School, Mysore.
We have chosen the particular problem statement because we wanted to build an inclusive society where everyone enjoys equal opportunities to grow. We have designed a communication system for specially abled passengers in public buses. The system can be fixed to the armrest of the seats in the existing public transport buses. The communication system helps the bus operator to communicate with the specially abled persons occupying the designated seats in the bus and vice versa. We came up with a special access card that helps the specially abled people to secure seats. The access card will be read by the RFID reader. A message will be sent to the bus operator informing that a specially abled person has occupied a particular seat. The driver can send messages to the particular seat when the destination of that person is reached. We have made sure that the destination alert for the specially abled persons on the bus is sent in all different forms, like an audio alert for the visually impaired through tiny speakers, a text message that will reflect in the LCD of the system, a blinking LED that will glow to catch the attention of the hearing impaired person, and a vibration alert placed in the seat for the specially abled person. The system also facilitates the specially abled person to communicate with the bus operator anytime during the travel with a push of a button. When the specially abled passengers pushes a button, the bus operator gets a message, "Need attention," along with the particular seat number of the passenger. This option gives the specially abled person to get help in case of any emergencies like theft or harassment, or the need to stop the bus in between. Varchasvi did the circuits and the coding, Kanishka helped with documentation, and I did the bus design. We did not do any on ground testing since we had no resources. But we are sure our communication system will be one step towards inclusivity.
We thank our school for having given us this opportunity to participate in ATL Marathon. Thank you.